QClub offering Google Cloud Game Day, only 599 spots remaining and only less than 20 hours remaining. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. Now this time on QClubs from Google Cloud Platform, this offers is from Trifecta, which is also as like as QClubs. Firstly, take a look on the prizes. Top 3 of the prizes are $100 cash vouchers. Next, top 4 to 10 is get $25 and random 20 names are chosen. Lucky 20 get $50. So this is an awesome opportunity to get this type of cash vouchers from QClubs, because here the credentials of the topper is mentioned, not as like holiday speedrun. Many of you are confused with holiday speedrun, but also holiday speedrun give some swags and also some coupons. Just like you can see, I got this voucher code from holiday speedrun. So now I am going to show you about the Trifecta data prep on Google Cloud Game Day. Only 599 remaining positions, so apply as soon as possible. So firstly, you need an access code for registering in this data game day of Google Cloud Platform and QClubs. So just try data prep 2021 and tap on next and you got registered. So when you need this access code, firstly you go through link in the description. When you tap on this, you find that you need to sign in on QClub account. After signing in QClub account, you find a tab comes which needs access code, and at that time you just write data prep 2021. So now I am going to show you what is in this and why you need to do this. So firstly, there is a leaderboard where you need to score as impressive so that you also get top rank. In this game, you get hands-on experience with the cloud data prep UI, and also for getting any type of cash vouchers, you need to complete all the labs so that you also get this batch of data prep which you can share on social media accounts just like LinkedIn. So here when I just logged in, when I get registered, I found my rank is 327 and also more than 500 positions are remained and only 20 hours remaining. So just start play if you are watching this video, and also share with your friends so they also get registered as soon as possible. So here what you need to do, only you need to complete 5 labs which are very easy. Only here time mentioned is 1 hour, but you can complete this type of labs in 10 to 15 minutes. So I am going to show you the first lab. Here the first lab is working with Google Cloud data prep on Google Cloud. So just take a look what is in this lab. So here you can see, firstly you need to sign in, and after that there are some objectives, and also here it is mentioned that some type of points and also what you are going to get. And after that you need to just do the same thing which we are doing in all the labs, that is copy and paste. Copy all the codes, go and paste on the next tab after signing in, and you can complete all this lab as soon as possible by copy and pasting. And when you get a rank, a top ranks in the leaderboards, you got $100 cash voucher, $50 and $25 cash voucher. So please share this video with your friends so they also get registered for this, and also subscribe our channel for getting this type of educational updates all the time.